Hello friends! If you are a security installer looking to attract more clients and increase your income, this is video for you. We are the team at Pipl Systems, and on this channel we share valuable insights from our years of experience in security industry. Our expertise spans installation, distribution, partnership with manufacturers, and of course marketing and sales strategies. But this channel is more than just product reviews and technical guides. We interview industry leaders, analyze real business cases, and that's why we can share tips to help you grow your business. Today we are focusing on a critical topic – websites for security installers. You know that many security professionals still rely on word of mouth, attracting clients through recommendations. While that works, it's not enough in today's digital age. And if you don't have a professional website, you are missing out on clients who search on security services online. So, in this video, we will show you how to create a website that grabs attention, builds trust, and gets potential clients to click that all-important order installation button. Let's imagine a story. There is an installer named John. He works in Dallas, Texas, and has been in the security business for example, 8 years. And John has built a great reputation with happy clients and plenty of recommendations. But recently he's noticed something troubling. Fewer orders are coming in. But why? Let's figure it out. Today, more clients search for security service online. They open Google and type camera installation in Dallas. And what they find are competitor websites, modern professional-looking pages showcasing examples of work, clear service descriptions, and glowing client reviews. But what about John's website? It's buried on page 5 of Google. Worse, it doesn't inspire trust. There are no photos of his work, no detailed explanation of his services, and the updated design makes it look unprofessional. The result? Potential clients leave John's website and choose someone else. To make sure this doesn't happen to you, we prepared 10 essential tips to help you create a modern, effective, and competitive website. By following these tips, you will turn your website into a lead generation machine, elevate your business's professional image, and stay ahead of competition. Your website is like your online office. When a client visits, they should immediately know where to go. Navigation needs to be simple and clear, from the main menu to buttons and sections. For example, a Call Us button should always be easy to find, especially on the mobile version on your website. Similarly, your Services section should be visible right on the first screen. If navigating your website feels confusing, clients will get frustrated and leave. To avoid this, look at American Alarm website. Their menu is well organized with straightforward options like for home and for business. Clients need to know what you offer, but not in vague terms like "we install cameras." Be specific, explain what kinds of cameras, alarms, smart locks or smart home systems you provide. For inspiration, check out the website of the company Safe and Sound Security. Each service on their website is explained clearly, paired with images and examples. And remember, many clients are not familiar with technical jargon. Use simple, accessible language. For instance, "we install cameras that you can monitor from your smartphone anytime" is much better than "we install remote access video surveillance systems." The simpler and more relatable your descriptions, the easier it is for your clients to understand and to choose you. People trust what they can see. If you have photos of installation, post them on your website. A dedicated case study section can be one of the most powerful parts of your website. Take a look at the Smart Security website. They showcase photos of the projects, including before and after shots, alongside detailed descriptions. For example, our Glasgow team was called to install 10 new CCTV systems, along with 4K monitor for remote viewing. By showing both the results and the process, including the challenges you solved, you build trust and demonstrate your expertise. Clients want to see the value you provide, so make this section shine. Reviews are your social proof. When potential clients see that others are satisfied with your work, they will feel more confident hiring you. For example, the Alert Protective Services Inc. website shares reviews featuring clients' names and ratings. This transparency builds trust and credibility. For even better results, consider adding video reviews. Ask your clients to record a quick video testimonial such as "This company installed cameras for us and everything works perfectly and thank you." It's easier than you might think, and the impact is incredible. Seeing and hearing real clients share their positive experiences will set you apart from your competitors. Clients need to know where you operate. If you serve Chicago or nearby areas, make sure that this is clearly stated on your website. For example, American Alarm and Communications does this effectively by listing the cities they serve and including a map. This not only helps clients to find you, but also improve your search engine visibility. If someone searches for alarm installation in Chicago, having clear location details increases the likelihood of your website appearing in search results. Be specific and visible. This small detail can make a big difference. Clients value convenience, and offering tools that simplify their decisions gives you a competitive edge. One of the best tools in our industry, for my opinion, is a cost calculator. For example, the Advanced Security Systems UK Ltd website has a simple form. There clients can select type of CCTV system, resolution of the cameras, number of channels, estimated storage, type of cameras and lenses. In the end, they receive an estimated price immediately. This transparency lowers the barrier for potential clients. They don't need to call just to get a rough idea of the cost. A calculator builds trust and helps clients feel more confident in choosing your services. Another essential tool is a contact form. Keep it simple: name, phone number, type of service. The easier is it to fill out, the more requests from clients you will receive. Don't forget a Call Us button that's always accessible on the mobile version on your website. Seeing the trend that security companies are looking for ways to grow and improve their businesses, we decided to create a group where we can discuss not technical issues, but more about sharing experiences and ideas on how to develop security companies. In this group, we will talk about topics like marketing, sales, team management and finding new clients. Also topics like website. The group is open for everyone in security systems market. Engineers, sales managers, company leaders, business owners, anyone who is interested in these topics is welcome to join. This group won't have a single leader or smartest person. Instead, it's all about sharing experience, learning from those who have already achieved results and supporting each other. On our side, we will share our knowledge and insights. Since this group is just starting, everyone will have the chance to contribute and shape it into something that's truly useful for them. The link to join is in the description for this video. We would love to see you there. Most people search for services on their smartphones. If your website doesn't look good on mobile devices, you're losing a significant number of potential clients. Look at Gill Security Systems for inspiration. Their website is optimized for smartphones with large, easy-to-click buttons, quick access to contact details, simple navigation. To test your own website, open it on your phone. Try to find critical information like your contact details or service offering. If the text is too small, menu don't work or navigation is clunky, fix it immediately. Remember, clients won't spend time figuring out a difficult website. They will just move to your competitors. Your mobile version should be in priority, not an afterthought. Nothing builds trust like video. Show your clients how you work, the problems you solve, and the results of your installation. For example, Digital Dreams features videos demonstrating their services. Clients can see their real projects in action, which helps them feel confident in the company's professionalism. You can also create short how-to videos, like, for example, how to set up your camera after installation, or what to do if your alarm system triggers a false alert. For example, security installer Secure Plus uses this approach effectively on their website. These videos not only attract clients but also save you time on a customer support calls. Remember, your videos don't need to be a professional grade. A smartphone and a friendly approach are enough. Clients value authenticity over perfection. Your website needs to be visible in search engines. If someone in Montreal searches for camera installation services, your website should rank near the top of the results. To achieve this, use local keywords throughout your website. For example, security camera installation in Montreal or home alarms in Quebec province. The company iMotion provides a great example. They create separate pages for each service and region, making it easier for Google to understand their offerings. And don't forget to add your business to Google My Business service. It's free and help your clients find you more easily on Google Maps. That simple step increases your local visibility and credibility. Your website should prove that you are a professional in security industry. Display the logos of the brands you work with, such as, for example, Ajax Systems or Access Communications or Hanwha Vision or some other big brands. If you have certifications or licenses, make them visible on your website. For example, Safe and Sound Security highlights the brands they work with and their installation expertise. This immediately builds trust with potential clients. If you participated in a trade shows or you are authorized partner of a major manufacturers, mention it. Clients want to hire professionals, and showcasing your credentials ensures they feel confident in choosing you. So friends, we just covered the 10 key tips to make your website modern, user-friendly and competitive. Let's quick recap. The first, navigation. Then clear presentation of your services, examples of your work, client reviews, clear location information, useful tools for clients, mobile-friendly design, video and multimedia, SEO and local optimization. And the last, building trust through certifications and achievements. If you implement even half of these tips, your website will start working for you. It will help attract more clients, make your business look professional, and give you an edge over competitors. Remember, your website is like your digital storefront. It's the first impression many clients will have of your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel, Pipl Systems. Every week, we share valuable content for security installers, from technical guides to interviews with industry leaders. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next videos.